though in the driest places on land down there is lifetime eking out and life, it seems. Scientists discussed the soil in such components of the Atacama abandoned how may not see any rainfall for many decades. Yet, the crew led of the Engineering College of Berlin, Germany, found testimony of microbes how tailored to the excess facility. These enduring organisms are of concern since they may be as a pattern for how lifetime could pull through on Mars. So as excellent aridity how tool though high levels of UV emission and soil how are laden in salts. Dr. Schulz-Makuch's crew selected a band of sites in the southward us abandon, of such places how get a routine moistening of fogs to such wherever deposition of any shape is very uncommon. Fog story of Atacama restored red purpose, selecting and Mars disembarkation website as good luck would include it. The scientists rotated up in 2015 fair a monthly following one of the famous WIM rainfall events. Maybe not amazingly taking into account the present of water supply, the crew detected metabolizing microbes in the cardiac of the Atacama. And later, alike unsurprisingly, the researchers saw the standard of how operation decreased dramatically in the next 2 years as facility dry of. Several include reasoned how which thou revision is just organisms how blown up in on the breeze, how which thou revision is fair the remnants of cells and DNA of these organisms as they are more abundant yet which we found of our genome analyze is how down there are organisms in the land how tailored to top UV emission, to top season with salt concentrations, Dr. Schulz-Makuch explainable. In some speech, these microbes are native. And while the water supply comes they be busy, and while the water supply goes, lot will apparently die but a nice quantity will go in a inactive country to wait the following deposition occasion. The could be how lifetime persists on Mars present, if always it was down there in the at first location, told Dr. Schulz-Makuch. On 4 persons trillion year back, down there was a lot of water supply on Mars, you though had oceans. And later it got drier and drier. Yet though currently you include these humidity events. You get fog down there, you include though nighttime snowing storms, and down there are these repeated hillside lineae, that are these salty fluid close the shallow water supply will as well shape about mineral deposits. Believe on microbes, for them a slight pool is and see. So if they include just fair a slight bit of water supply, it may be quite for them. The crew cannot say how length the inactive Atacama kind can pull through out of upcoming in water supply, but it could be hundreds or though thousands of years, the scientists believe. Dr. Schulz-Makuch's team is on to back to the abandoned to pursue up on their sample locations.